gee, I bet this shirt looks familiar. It's the one I had on yesterday, or in your yesterday, 5 minutes ago for me. This is my Walmart beauty box. For some reason I get 2 of them. It was like a mistake, but I just let them keep coming. So this is the first one. Evidently they sent emails out to some people. Maybe it's a beta test or something. And they were offered like a bigger, better box for like $2 or $3 more, but I didn't get that. So this is the regular, traditional. These used to be $5 shipping and the box was free. Now they're like $6.95 shipping and the box is still free, and you get them quarterly. This is the fall box. So, yeah. Looks like it's worth $6.95. This is C'est moi, it's me. C'est moi means it's me in French. Papaya and strawberry seed scrub facial mask. I mean, is it a scrub or is it a facial mask? Yeah, you put it on and leave it on for 5 minutes, it says. Use once a week. It's a pretty nice size. I don't know if it's a sample or a full size. It's 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. I'm gonna smell it since it says it's papaya and strawberry. If it doesn't have a little thingy on it. Yeah, it does. I can't smell it. I don't want to take off the safety seal right now because then that starts drying out and losing its scent and stuff. So, and then we got a facial sponge. These are usually at least, a couple bucks. It's got the pointy end and the flat end. So that's nice. You can always use another facial sponge. Burt's Bees Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin. I don't usually use a facial cleanser. Probably should. I just wash my face in the shower with whatever soap I'm using. It's got a safety seal on it, so I won't smell it. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, pomegranate seeds and shea butter. So I guess you would use this in the shower like soap, kind of. Ooh. You can see the seeds in it. It's pink with little seeds in it. So this I would definitely use on my face and the rest of my body to get off some of that dry, dead skin. This is Hydration Multiplier. It's one of those things it's passion fruit. It's one of those things you put in your bottle of water. And I guess it's supposed to help you get even more hydrated than just the bottle of water would do. And I don't like plain water, so I would definitely use this. And that's it. And then you get a little thing saying what all you get. The sponge, it says it's $4.88. The Burt's Bees, its full size is $8. Full size is 6 ounces, and this is 1 ounce. Or is it a 0.1 ounce? I think it's 1 ounce. So this is 1/6. So more than $2. So we've already recouped the cost of the box. Purchasers will receive 1 of the C'est Moi products. So we got the mask, and then there was also a cleansing water you could get, but we didn't get that. There's a Bliss That's Incredible Peel glycolic acid pads. We didn't get that. Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. I didn't get that, which is I'm happy because, you know, I'm old. I don't get blemishes much. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Full size is $6 and it's 10 ounces. And this is, doesn't say how many ounces this is. Well, it does, but I can't read it. Where's my friend handy dandy little microscope? 2 ounces. So this is 1/5 of 10, so this is $2 worth. And the water thingy it's $9 for 6, and I got 1, so that's like $1.50. So let's see, that's 2, $3.50. Almost $5, so that's $8.50. What did I figure? This was another $2, so that's $8.50, $10.50 plus this. Didn't have a price on this. Oh, it does $10 for. Well, this is full size, and this is $10 right here. So this is almost $20 worth of stuff for $6.95, and this is all stuff that I would use. So we've got the scrub face mask, and this is a facial cleanser, a sponge. It wants to fall. This is exfoliating body polish, and then this water rehydrator thingy. So I think that's a great box. Sometimes, like a lot of times, you get that Hello Fresh charcoal toothpaste. Ugh, I can't do the charcoal. The black teeth just gross me out. So I think this was a great box. So if you haven't tried it, it's $6.95, and you get it, you know, winter, spring, summer, and fall, and this is the fall one. So I'd highly recommend it. So give it a try.